this is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Chase mobile app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, the first solution is make sure you have the latest version of the app. So first, just go to the Google Play Store and then from here, just search for the app Chase. And then from here guys, when they have an update, you should be able to see it over here and make sure you are running the latest version of the application. And guys, if this doesn't work, the second solution that you have is just go to the settings. And then on the settings, guys, over here, just go to the apps. And then on the apps, just go find the Chase. So it's over here. Just tap on it, guys, and now go to storage. And from here, just clear the cache and also clear the data. And from there, you should be able to fix the application. And guys, the third solution that you have, if that solution doesn't work, is try reinstalling the app. So first, uninstall the application. And then after that, once it is uninstalled on your device, just go back to the Google Play Store and install it again. And then from there, guys, you will be able to fix your Chase mobile application. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!